Hi, I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to show you how to 3D print on Tinkercad. So here I am on tinkercad.com, which is a free program available online. I've already created my account and I'm ready to create my phone stand.
If you go up here and hit learn, there's classes, which I took all these classes and they gave a lot of great lessons on how to use the programming. These are things people have made on Tinkercad and 3D printed. And what we are going to do, let's go back to home. Today's design that we're going to try to create is going to be very simple design, and we're going to try to make a phone stand. So I'm going to change the name of our design. And then let me show you just a few things here about Tinkercad. So this is our work surface. So you just imagine this is where the 3D printer base is, that is going to be where your print is going to be printed. You can move that all around by clicking this box up here. You can zoom in by using your touch bar or your mouse wheel. So to start off, I'm going to use just a basic shape in making my phone stand. And there's all different kinds of shapes you could use. So you could probably try whichever one you wanted it to be. But what I'm going to use is going to be a box. Once I've placed the box there, I can use these controls. This has taken it off of the surface. This is going to make it bigger. So that's the first shape my 3D print is going to have. Now I'm going to go up here and click on the box. This is a whole shape. You can make any of them into a whole shape. And this I'm going to use to make a place for the phone to set into the box. I'm going to make it kind of small because I have a pretty small phone. I don't like this part right here because I feel like it's going to be hard to see the phone. I think what I'm going to do is create another hole. Okay, so I'm going to take this box and use it to create another hole. I'm just kind of checking it. As you can see, the hole goes like this, so there'll be a dip. I want actually to make this one not so close. I want it to touch on the bottom, so I'm going to bring this one up so there's a little space right here where the phone can set. So if you look, it will go like that.
And now I'm satisfied with how my phone stand looks. I think it's ready to print. So when you've completed your cell phone stand, you are going to want to go to export, and then you're going to want to save it as an STL file. And then it's ready for your 3D printer.